Hello friends, good morning everyone. Today we have to start topic number 7, bill of exchange. Page number 266, illustration number 1. See that illustration. On 1st June 2019, Pratap sold goods to Sujit worth rupees 82,000. Sujit accepted a bill drawn upon him by Pratap for 2 months for rupees 82,000. Give journal entries in the books of Pratap and Sujit for the following cases. First one, bill is honored on due date. Second one, bill is dishonored on the due date. And third one, bill is dishonored on the due date and noting charges rupees 250 paid by Pratap. See here we have to pass journal entries in the books of drawer and drawee. Here Pratap is a drawer and Sujit is a drawee. Pratap sold goods means Pratap is a seller and Sujit is the buyer. So those who sold goods, that person is a drawer, and those who purchase goods, that person is a drawee. Here credit basis sale and purchase is there. So here we have to pass journal entry in the books of drawer as well as in the books of drawing. See, in this question Pratap is a drawer. So in the books of Pratap we have to pass journal entries, and in the books of Sujit is a drawee, we have to pass journal entries. See, on this first transaction on 1st June 2019, Pratap sold goods. So in the books of Pratap sell goods to Sujit on credit basis. So entry is in the books of Pratap, Sujit account debit to sales on June 1st, 2019. 82,000 debit, 82,000 credit, being goods sold on credit. Then in the books of Sujit is a buyer, that is drawing. Sujit purchased goods. So 2019 June 1st, purchase account debit 82,000 to Pratap's account credit 82,000, because this is credit basis purchase is there, being goods purchase on credit. Then Sujit accepted a bill drawn upon him by Pratap. After that Sujit accept the bill. So in the books of Pratap, drawer के book में second journal entry June 1st, bill receivable account debit 82,000 to Sujit account credit 82,000, being bills drawn and acceptance received. Then in the books of Sujit, here acceptance given by Sujit to Pratap. So June 1st, Pratap's account debit 82,000 to bills payable account credit 82,000, being our acceptance given. Okay, after that in that question, Sujit acceptance a bill drawn upon him by Pratap for 2 months for rupees 82,000. See here, for 2 months means after 2 months here, then bill is honored on the due date. So bill is honored means बिल्स का पैसा रिसीव्ड हो गया प्रताप को. सो थर्ड जर्नल एंट्री हियर August 4. Why August 4? Because see here, after 2 months bill is honored. After 2 months means here June 1st is there. So 1st June, then 1st June, then 1st July 1 month, then 1st August 2 months, and after 3 grace days, that is date is what? 4th August. So cash bank account debit 82,000 to bills receivable account credit 82,000, because here bill is honored means bills amount received. So being Sujit acceptance honored on the due date. And after that Sujit के बुक में क्या आएगा एंट्री? August 4 को bills payable account debit 82,000 to cash bank account credit. Here that amount is paid by Sujit to Pratap 82,000. So being our acceptance honored on the due date. Okay. So here bill is honored on the due date is over. After that second transaction, bill is dishonored on the due date. See here bill is received and after that bill is dishonored. Then just opposite entry August 4. सेकेंड एंट्री जस्ट अपोजिट होगी क्योंकि बिल डिजॉनर्ड हुआ है. सो सुजीत अकाउंट डेबिट 82,000 2 bills receivable account credit 82,000 being Sujit acceptance dishonored on the due date. And in the books of Sujit, August 4 second journal entry just opposite होगी because dishonored हुआ है. So August 4 bills payable account debit 82,000 to Pratap's account credit 82,000 being our acceptance dishonored on the due date. Then after that bill is dishonored on the due date and noting charges ₹250 paid by Pratap. देखो यहाँ पे bill dishonored हुआ है and whenever bill is dishonored then noting charges is there. Bank charge noting charges and that noting charges is paid by drawer. So drawer pays the noting charges and which will be ultimately recovered from drawing. Okay, then entry in the books of drawer. Sujit August 4 Sujit account debit 82,250 250 यहाँ पे नोटिंग चार्जेस ऐड हुआ है. सो 2 बिल्स रिसीवेबल अकाउंट क्रेडिट 82,000 टू कैश अकाउंट क्रेडिट 250 being Sujit acceptance dishonored and noting charges paid. नोटिंग चार्जेस पेड ड्रॉवर ने किया है. नाउ ड्रॉवर ये किसके पास से रिसीव करेगा नोटिंग चार्जेस? ड्रॉय के पास है, दैट इज सुजीत के पास है. सो सुजीत के बुक में एंट्री August 4 को बिल्स पेएबल अकाउंट डेबिट 82,000 नोटिंग चार्जेस अकाउंट डेबिट 250 टू प्रताप्स अकाउंट क्रेडिट 82,250 being our acceptance dishonored and noting charges paid by Sujit. Okay, so here this question is important and this question is based on this accounting treatment in the books of Drawer and Troy. You solve this question in your notebook. Thank you.